In this video, we're going to be talking about how to reset your password or username on Comerica banking application. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and download and install the application if you haven't already, and go ahead and open it. Once you've opened the application, you're going to be taken to this screen right over here, as you can see. And now all you need to really do is tap on forgot your password button right below save user ID, as you can see. And once you do that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where you want to simply go ahead and enter your user ID, your email address, click on next. They'll ask you for your SSN. And when you enter that, they're going to send you a verification code to the registered mobile number. And simply when you enter that verification code back into the application, then it will simply allow you to change your password. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.